Hello everyone, this is Jack. Well, in this video I'll show you a neat little trick to grow your seedlings without needing grow lights. So you don't actually need grow lights to grow healthy, nice and straight seedlings. All you need is cardboard boxes like this. Here's the finished product. I have this cardboard box lined up with aluminum foil, and then I place my plants in there and I set it right next to a window, and plants get the light from the back as well. This makes the plants grow straight and not lean towards the light in one direction. So I'm using this fruit box that you get from grocery stores. You can get it from Costco and other grocery stores as well. This is very sturdy and it's very thin, which is perfect for putting it on windowsills. So we'll be using this. You can also use cardboard boxes like this. This is a bigger box that you can use to even put the entire tray of plants in there as well. So we'll be making both of these real quick. So let's get started. So I have aluminum foil here, and the aluminum foil has the shiny side and the dull side. And we'll be using the shiny side that reflects light to line our cardboard box. I simply cut the aluminum foil to the size of the cardboard box, and then I press the aluminum foil gently at the back of the cardboard box to line the cardboard box completely. And then I use some tape to secure the aluminum foil in place. Well, here you go. It's this simple, and our cardboard box has been lined with aluminum foil and it's ready for plants to be placed in there. And you can place this cardboard box right next to the window on the windowsill. Now you can add your 6 cell packs right in this box. And here's a neat little trick. I use this 6 cell pack right in the mushroom box. This is a mushroom container that you get when you buy mushrooms from a grocery store, and you can put the 6 cell right in it so that it catches water so it doesn't make a mess. I also made this stand out of 2x4s to make this box multi-layered into 2 layers. So you can add your plants on the bottom and on the top. The light reflecting from the back of this box helps to grow the seedlings healthy and straight. Having the stand in the box helps to maximize the space used in the box as well. I placed this box right on the windowsill and it fits really well. This way the plants catch the maximum amount of sunlight that falls on the window. You can also put this box right next to the glass door as well. You can place this box on top of another box to elevate the box so that the box faces the glass. This way the plants can soak all the sunlight that comes through the door. I also lined the insides of the big box completely with aluminum foil as well, and you can place the entire seed starting tray inside this box. You can place this box right next to a window or a glass door, and you can grow 38 to 64 seedlings depending on the number of cells in your tray. And all of this without having a need to buy any grow lights. Now this method works. I can use this to grow seedlings all throughout the winter indoors right next to your window or your windowsill if you get at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight in your winters. If you live really up north where you don't get any sunlight during winters, or you only get 1 or 2 hours of sunlight in places like Alaska, Canada, and other United States, then you might need grow lights to grow your seedlings in winter or early spring before you can plant them in spring and get a head start on growing a vegetable garden. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can grow lots of seedlings without having a need to buy any grow lights, and I'll see you in another video.